today we have a very cool experiment for you guys. We're going to be doing the oil bubble experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need more than a half jar full of water. You're going to need a jar. You're going to need a little bit of vegetable oil so you can get enough to cover the whole entire thing, like up to here. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of salt. Yep. Now we're going to start the experiment. So first, we're going to get our vegetable oil and put it in.
Make sure you don't.
Tell me when to stop.
Stop. That's good. Stop. Yeah, you got it.
Okay, so now we're going to put in the salt. Okay.
It's making the
bubbles. Look at these bubbles.
This is actually really cool.
Kind of looks like slime.
Yeah, it kind of looks like slime in a lava lamp experiment that we did.
Yeah.
But except we don't have like the tab, yeah.
Whoa, it's making like little bubbles.
When is this one gonna come up? Okay, that's one coming up. Yeah.
Guys, when we poured in the salt took some of the oil with it and then went all the way down to the bottom, and then the salt started to melt and then the oil started to rise, which is why we have the oil bubbles. Oh, look. Oh, it looks like a blob.
Wait.
Guys, let's add more salt.
Yep.
Let's try and add it. See what happens. Whoop.
Oil bubbles.
So much oil bubbles. Like oil bubbles everywhere.
Like a whole line waiting to be going up.
That one looks like a big one.
I know.
That one looks like it's gonna be a big one. That one.
And this one's gonna be a big one. This one's gonna be a big one.
It's gonna be small.
Oh no, that one's small.
There's like a bubble right there, but it won't come up.
Yeah, this one's coming up. This one's coming up. Come on, I know you can.
It came up. That one came up.
Because every single time when one comes up, a little tiny one comes up with that from the side. See, look, it's coming. It's coming up.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye!